Okay, how to count using Roman numbers. Uh, number 1 means like I write I. Number 2, I will repeat I 2 times, double I. Number 3, triple I. Then, how to write number 4? Before I explain 4, you must know how to write number 5. 5 is like V. Okay, why explained 5 before 4? Because 4 is V and before it I. What's meant by that? It's meant 5 minus 1, because V is 5. When I write I before it, it means that I will subtract 5 minus 1, which equals 4. So to express 4, I will write V and before it I. Okay? Okay. By the same way, how can I write 6? 6 is the opposite. It's V and I is on the right hand side. It's after V, like that. Which means 5, yes, great, 5 plus 1, which is 6. 7 can be by the same way, V and double I. This is 7. 8, yes, V and I 3 times. How to explain 9 and 10? Okay. Before I explain 9, I will explain 10. 10 is like that. Letter X. You can remember it by as if you are writing V and V. V and V like 5 plus 5. So X is 10. Again, X is 10. 9, what do you think? Yes, it's X. And before it, like number 4. Before it, I. So it's like 10. This is 9. How again? It's like 10 minus 1. That's it.